How much money do you need to start affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an attractive way to make money online as it doesn't require any upfront costs or investments. However, it is important to be aware of the fact that while you don't need to spend money upfront, you will still need to invest in order to get started. This includes having a website, setting up an automated system to track leads and sales, and creating content for your website or blog. Depending on the scope of your affiliate marketing goals, the amount of money you will need to invest can range from a few $100s to several thousand. Additionally, you may also need to factor in marketing costs, such as pay-per-click campaigns and social media advertising. As we continue to post more videos on our channel, they are only going to become more extensive. We would really appreciate it if you could take the time to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you can receive notifications when we create new videos. That way, you can always stay up to date with the latest and greatest affiliate marketing advice and tips. Thank you for your support.